Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Shark Cleaning Solution is probably one of the most versatile and effective cleaning products on the market, designed to tackle a wide range of messes with ease. Whether you're dealing with stubborn grime on your kitchen counters, sticky spills on your floors, or soap scum in your bathroom, this powerful formula promises a spotless finish without harsh chemicals. Its innovative design ensures it can be used on multiple surfaces, making it a go-to for households looking for a comprehensive cleaning solution that simplifies their routine and delivers professional-level results every time. Number 5. BISSELL Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Cleaner. Join over 7 million households who trust us for their deep cleaning needs. We are America's #1 brand in portable deep cleaning. Tired of stubborn messes and stains? Our scientifically proven formula lifts and removes over 100 common messes and stains, taking the stress out of cleanup. Experience the power of our triple action formula. It permanently removes stains and powerfully eliminates odors, leaving your surfaces looking like new. Clean more without interruption thanks to the large capacity clean water tank. Enjoy extended cleaning sessions with fewer refills. Cleaning is simple with our easy 3-step process. Just spray, scrub, and suction away messes for a deep clean. Go beyond surface cleaning. Our portable cleaner tackles stains and odors deep beneath the surface, unlike paper towels. Feel good about your purchase. Every unit sold helps support the BISSELL Pet Foundation in its mission to save homeless pets. What we like. This is America's #1 brand in portable deep cleaning. It is scientifically proven to lift and remove over 100 common messes and stains. If you are looking for a powerful, portable solution for spills and stains on carpets and upholstery, this is the one for you. What people say. The Shark Cleaning Solution is highly effective at tackling tough stains and grime. Its innovative design allows for easy maneuverability around furniture and tight spaces. The powerful suction ensures a deep clean on various floor types. Number 4. Shark VACMOP Disposable Hard Floor Pad Refills VMP30. Introducing the Shark VACMOP Refills, designed for a superior cleaning experience. These pads are compatible with VM252 and VM180 models, ensuring a perfect fit for your cleaning needs. Experience a complete clean with our innovative all-in-one pad. It vacuums up and locks away debris in a built-in dirt chamber, preventing dirt from being pushed around. Our absorbent mopping layers effectively tackle stuck-on grime. Enjoy shiny, clean floors with every use. These pads are safe for use on all sealed floors, including stone, hardwood, vinyl, laminate, tile, marble, and linoleum. Get a versatile clean for every room. Enjoy the convenience of no-touch disposal. Never worry about touching a dirty pad again, making cleanup quick and hygienic. Unlike other pads, ours vacuums up dirt and debris effectively. Achieve a truly clean floor without spreading messes. What we like. This product offers a complete clean in one pad, vacuuming up debris and locking it away. It also features absorbent mopping layers for stuck-on grime. If you want a convenient and hygienic way to clean all your sealed hard floors, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Shark Cleaning Solution is highly effective at removing tough stains. Its innovative design makes it easy to maneuver around furniture and tight spaces. The powerful suction ensures a deep clean on all types of flooring. Number 3. Shark VACMOP Multi-Surface Cleaner Refill 2L. Introducing the Shark VACMOP Multi-Surface Cleaner Refill. This 2-liter bottle is designed to keep your floors sparkling clean. It effectively cleans and disinfects all your sealed finished floors. This includes stone, laminate, and tile surfaces. This refill is perfectly compatible with VM252 and VM180 models. Ensure a seamless cleaning experience. Enjoy a refreshing spring clean scent with every use. It leaves your home smelling as good as it looks. With a large 2-liter capacity, you'll have plenty of cleaner for multiple uses. It's an economical choice for maintaining your home. Make your floor cleaning routine easier and more effective. This solution is your go-to for a spotless home. What we like. This cleaner is designed to clean and disinfect sealed finished floors, leaving behind a fresh spring clean scent. It is compatible with specific Shark VACMOP models. If you are looking for a disinfectant cleaner that also freshens your floors, this refill is a great option. What people say. The Shark cleaning solution is highly effective at removing tough stains and grime. Its unique formula works quickly to break down dirt, leaving surfaces sparkling clean. The product is safe to use on a variety of surfaces, including hardwood, tile, and laminate. Number 2. Better Life All-Purpose Cleaner. Introducing a powerful cleaner derived from plants. It tackles messes throughout your home, from kitchen counters to living room upholstery. This versatile spray is designed for use on a multitude of surfaces. It effectively cleans glass, countertops, appliances, and even fabric. Enjoy a truly clean home without any added fragrance. Its gentle formula is safe for various surfaces and your family. Simplify your cleaning routine with this all-purpose solution. It makes keeping your home spotless easier than ever before. Choose a cleaner that works hard so you don't have to. Experience a better way to maintain a clean and healthy living space. What we like. This is a multi-purpose cleaner made with a plant-based formula, suitable for a variety of surfaces including glass, countertops, and upholstery. It is also unscented, making it a great choice for those sensitive to fragrances. If you prefer a natural, versatile cleaner for everyday messes, this is a solid pick. What people say. The Shark cleaning solution is a powerful cleaner that effectively removes tough stains and grime. Its innovative design allows for easy maneuverability and access to hard-to-reach areas. The solution features a long-lasting formula that keeps surfaces clean for extended periods. Number 1. Sunny and Honey Heavy-Duty Carpet Cleaner. Tired of stubborn pet stains and odors? Our heavy-duty solution is here to help. It tackles both new and deep-set messes with ease. This powerful formula works wonders on carpets, rugs, couches, and upholstery. Achieve a deep clean that revitalizes your home. Don't let stains and odors linger. Our cleaner is designed to effectively eliminate them, leaving your surfaces fresh. Enjoy a pleasant, light lavender fragrance after cleaning. It leaves your home smelling fresh and inviting. Simply use it with your carpet cleaning machine for optimal results. It's designed for powerful performance and convenience. This generous 32 fluid ounces bottle ensures you have enough cleaner for multiple uses. Keep your home looking and smelling its best. What we like. This is a heavy-duty carpet cleaner solution specifically formulated for new and deep-set pet messes. It also eliminates odors and leaves a light lavender scent. If you have persistent pet stains and odors on your rugs, couches, or upholstery, this powerful solution is designed to tackle them. What people say. The Shark cleaning solution is highly effective at removing tough stains. Its unique formula works quickly to break down dirt and grime. The design of the bottle allows for easy and precise application. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.